Hey, it's Don Morris with Ask Don, and today's tip has to do with SendOutCards. I appreciate Dorian K. for bringing this to my attention. This is something that apparently has been in the SendOutCards mobile app for quite some time. It's on iOS, it's on Android as well, but it's apparently not on the website. This is brought to my attention because we're doing this postcard program right now where people are sending out tons of postcards, and it points out a feature that is in the app that you may not have been aware of. So I'm just going to go ahead and start with a postcard here from the Build Your Own collection. Again, just going with a standard vertical postcard here. That's a portrait postcard. We're going to choose the postcard and create this postcard. Now, again, this is on iOS right now. It's the same on Android. Your buttons are just going to be in a different place. Down at the bottom on iOS, there is a little pencil icon with a square. On Android, look up at the top of your screen. Again, it's a pencil icon with a grid for photos. When you tap that, your layouts that are available to you for pictures and text, or just a picture or just text, are available for you there. Right now we're using the full picture on this screen, and what you want to do is scroll to where you see right here on the layouts this one that says drag image here superimposed with click here to type your message. If you'll select that, what you're going to get is a template that has a picture in the background with text overlaid on top of that. This is great. You don't have to jump into Canva or anything else just to add some quick text to this. Now, the question that constantly gets asked right now is, how can I make sure I'm tapping the right spot? Because if you tap right in the middle, it's going to ask you to edit your text. And so what you want to be able to do is add your picture in first. You've got to tap towards the bottom of the screen, or anywhere outside that green. I know it's on iOS, it's a green border, green dotted border. Tap outside that green dotted border, but inside the blue dotted border for you to grab a photo from either from your device or from the cloud that you've already uploaded to SendOutCards. Then once you've done that, go ahead and tap that picture, put it in there. When you go back and tap in the middle, you can add in your text that's going to go over the top of that photo. If you just save it like that, it's going to be right in the middle of the screen. So what I actually want to do is come back in here, and I'm going to try to drop that down at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to change my text out a little bit here. I love April Fat Face. It's a big fat font. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. And then the last thing I'm going to do is jump in here and drag my color picker so that I'm actually choosing white on that. Now when I save, I still haven't got it quite down to the bottom yet. Just jump in there and type in a couple of more returns. It's still not where I want it because I'm kind of particular about this. There we go. Put in happy birthday right at the bottom of the screen, and then that card, or bottom of the card, and then that is ready to go. If you have any questions about that, pop them in the comments below and look for our next tip. Thanks for joining us.